Hello and welcome to the Byline, where I discuss the strategies and technologies that are transforming business finance management. I'm Chris, and in today's episode, we're talking about something that happens far away from the treatment room, but has a massive impact on everything you do. We're talking about the financial processes of your med spa. You got into this business to help clients look and feel their best. You are an expert in aesthetics, but you quickly learned you also have to be an expert in inventory, supply chain, and finance. And for so many med spas, especially those looking to grow, the back office can be a bit of a mess. Paper invoices are piling up, there's dozens of disconnected spreadsheets, and you're spending way too much time chasing down your own practitioners just to approve a simple supply order. But it doesn't have to be this way. So today we're going to share the solution, AP automation. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AP automation? Simply put, it's using software to digitize and streamline the entire journey of an invoice, from the moment it arrives to the moment the vendor is paid. For a med spa, this touches everything: ordering fillers, approving a new laser purchase, paying your marketing agency, and coding it all correctly in your books. Now, why does this matter so much in the aesthetics industry? Because the stakes are higher. You're not just ordering paper clips, you're managing high cost, critical inventory. Running out of a specific dermal filler because an invoice got lost in an email chain can lead to canceled appointments and unhappy customers. The manual process most med spas use is fragile. It relies on a human being to receive an invoice, physically or digitally, manually type all that information into a spreadsheet or QuickBooks, track down the right person to sign off on it, and then manually process the payment. Every single one of those steps is a chance for a mistake. If an invoice gets entered with a typo or an early payment discount is missed, that can cost thousands of dollars a year. But the biggest cost isn't just the money, it's the time. Your time, your office manager's time, your practitioner's time. Every hour spent on administrative busy work is an hour not spent on patient care, on marketing, on training, or on planning for your next med spa opening. Automating the back office is about buying back your most valuable resource: focus. I see the same patterns in growing med spas over and over again. As I see it, there are 5 core challenges that manual AP creates, and I want to walk through each one and show you how automation directly solves it. First is complex vendor management. You might have 30, 40, or even more suppliers. Managing them manually means you're just reacting and paying bills as they come in. Automation changes that dynamic. A good platform centralizes everything, so you can track all communications, see all invoices, and analyze spending per vendor in one place. The best systems even let you consolidate all your purchasing, so you place one order for items across 10 different vendors and pay one single bill at the end of each week or month, depending on your cash flow needs. The second challenge is the one we touched on: manual invoice processing. Automation platforms use AI and machine learning to read an invoice the second it arrives. It pulls the vendor name, invoice number, amounts, and line items automatically. It gets coded correctly every time, and our financial reports become instantly more reliable and useful. Third, we have inefficient approval workflows. Chasing down a busy doctor for a signature slows down the entire procurement process. With automation, you build the rules of your business directly into the software. For instance, Dr. Smith must approve any clinical supply order for the downtown location over $2,000. The software handles the rest. It sends a notification to Dr. Smith's phone. She taps approve, and the process moves on. No delays, no stockouts, and no unauthorized spending. The fourth challenge is the lack of spend visibility. So many finance teams I talk to say that their data lives in filing cabinets and scattered spreadsheets. You might feel like you're overspending on a certain category of skincare, but you can't prove it. Automation gives you a real-time dashboard for your business's financial health. You can see with a few clicks your spend by location, product, and GL code. You can spot price increases from vendors instantly. This is how you find opportunities to save money and improve profitability in a fraction of the time it took before. And finally, the fifth challenge is scaling for growth. The outdated manual system that works when you only have one med spa will completely collapse when you open a second location. You can't just hire more people to do more manual data entry. An AP automation platform is built to scale. It provides a standardized financial infrastructure. When you open a new location, you simply add it to the system, apply your budget rules and approval workflows, and you're done. You can manage a national chain of med spas from a single dashboard with a lean finance team. And that's exactly where Order.co steps in. It's the platform built to give med spas complete financial visibility and control. With Order.co, you can manage all your vendors, automate approvals, and consolidate every invoice into one weekly or monthly payment. No spreadsheets, no confusion, and no delays. Whether you're running one clinic or 10, Order.co helps you scale without adding administrative overhead. It's the automation backbone behind some of the fastest growing aesthetics businesses out there. So, to recap, the manual accounts payable processes you're probably using are creating 5 key problems. They make vendor management more challenging than it needs to be. They're riddled with errors from manual data entry. They create approval bottlenecks. They leave you with zero real-time spend visibility, and they are completely incapable of scaling with your business. AP automation tackles every single one of these. It centralizes your vendors, digitizes your invoices, streamlines your approvals, gives you 24/7 visibility into your spending, and provides the financial foundation you need to grow. Switching from a manual system to an automated one is really a decision to stop letting administrative drag hold your business back. It's about building a more resilient, efficient, and ultimately more profitable med spa. So, my challenge to you this week is to take an honest look at your own back office. Where are the bottlenecks? How much time are you and your team really spending on repetitive processes? The answer might surprise you. Thank you for tuning into the Byline. If you want to learn more about how you can centralize and automate your financial management processes, follow the podcast to be notified about new episodes. See you next time.